What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while, but we've been making some videos in the process. So on this one, we are actually going to be doing a brand new Corvette C8. We've got all the old PPF off.
What did he say?
All the stripes have been removed on it, and we are getting ready to do this one in chrome. So it's gonna be a Hexis satin teal chrome. We've done a chrome car before. It's actually a truck. If you guys want to check that one out, that one's on our channel as well. But this one is going to be really, really nice, really, really spicy. Not looking forward to it personally, honestly. Noah can't wait. He's actually run away just so he didn't even have to be in this video. And he tried to call out conveniently sick this week because he don't want to do this one either. But it's gonna be fun. Might rage a little bit. Probably have to bleep this out. Let's get to it. My hairy nipple is gone. I just got a bunny tail for a microphone. And anyways, I'm done complaining. Tips and tricks on wrapping chrome. If you can't afford it, don't do it in the first place because you're gonna waste a whole lot of time and a whole lot of money. That being said, if you do have the time and the money to be able to do it, definitely do some testing on some scrap pieces first. Do not be afraid to get really aggressive with it. Because more than likely you're going to mess up, be too careful than if you actually just manhandled it and knocked it out. Also, speaking of manhandling, you're gonna need at least 2 to 3 people to lay some chrome. This stuff, once it tacks, if you pull it back up, you're pretty much toast. So it's a one and done, one shot deal. Just take your time, don't be afraid. If you're scared, go to church. And that's all I got, that's words of wisdom. That's wow. W-O-W, words of wisdom. So with chrome, it's already very difficult to go over anything that's an aggressive corner. And this thing has a lot of sharp corners, a lot of aggressive edges, a lot of aggressive body lines. So that made it that much more challenging. Definitely had to fully disassemble everything, especially the back bumper. That one right there was probably the worst bumper I think I've ever had to wrap, especially when it comes to this specific material. It was not fun, but we nailed it. If you're going to wrap a chrome car for a customer, do not be afraid to charge an extremely high price. A, because most people are not gonna be out here touching this stuff, and B, you're gonna wish that you charged more after you got done with the car. I don't care how much you charged in the beginning, you're gonna wish you charged more for it because that is an absolute headache. Relatively everything went smooth on this one. We did end up having to rewrap the front bumper due to unforeseen circumstances. But other than that, everything did go fairly smooth. But had we messed up on any other panels, we probably would have come short at the end, which means we would have had to purchase an entire another roll or found someone that was actually able to send us off a very specific section of that, which most companies won't do. So you're gonna be out of a lot of money. Charge a lot. Prep, as far as prep goes, chrome shows everything. So originally when we decided to do this car, it was not supposed to be chrome. It was supposed to be a Avery color shift, just another standard color. And he decided he wanted to do chrome. That changed everything as far as our preparation goes. So it had PPF on it originally. He was fine with leaving the PPF on. With it going chrome and chrome showing every last little imperfection, dirt, glue, anything that would have been underneath the PPF, you would have seen. So we had to remove all the PPF off, remove all the glue, clean clay bar, make sure everything was absolutely spotless. So it did not show any imperfections. There are still a couple of small little pieces of like dirt or some debris that might get up underneath there. But as long as they're minimal, you'll be able to get away with it. But it literally will show a speck of dirt will look like a mountain underneath chrome wrap. Like a tent? Yeah. All right, so it has been a very, very long 2 weeks. It's not been even 2 weeks. It's been a very long week and a half on this one. We did get it done. It did almost put me in the hospital, but I made it out. I'm alive, and we're gonna go shoot a sick video. You guys gotta finish this up. You gotta finish up the video. Shout out Vision to Inspire, so you'll have to finish watching the rest of this video. It's going to be absolutely crispy, and I'm really hoping that the owner decides to get this thing sideways a little bit of smoke, something. But I don't wanna see it back in here. I don't want him to wreck it, so. I don't even know where I'm going with this. See you guys in the next video, I hope. Catch us on TikTok. You scrubs.
stargaze. Sipping on perfume like the Barbie. Whatever I done, it got me going crazy. Yeah, psychedelics got me going crazy. Rolling, got me stargaze. Psychedelics got me going crazy.